I was diagnosed with a pre-diabetic. But after drinking Kangen, it helps me to regulate my blood sugar.
Hey, beautiful people! This is Lovely of Kangen Wellness, and I have a friend here. His name is DJ, a supervisor of what company again?
AC Electrics Technology Corporation.
Okay, so narinig nyo naman, di ba? So, I have this friend, si DJ, and I have one question for you. No, what was your situation before drinking Kangen water?
I was diagnosed with a pre-diabetic type 2. And still, meron pa rin naman. But after drinking Kangen and some, of course, with my medication too, it helps me to regulate my blood sugar. So, na-lower from 300, yung aking sugar, naging nasa 100 na lang. And sometimes below. So, it helps me to regulate my blood sugar. And I continues. And then, what I feel during my sleep then, no, every morning I drink Kangen water and it detoxify my body talaga. So every morning maganda yung yung tawag mo ito, yung dudumi, yung mga ganon sa bowel movements ko. Yeah, it helps me. It's a relief for me.
Okay, so what I'm hearing is it helps you regulate your sugar, right? And yung sleeping. Okay. So ano ba yung situation mo or struggle mo before sa sleeping?
Minsan I have insomnia din. So medyo may times hirap ako makatulog. So also I have hindi lang Kangen, I have a M-Guard din. So I use that. And my wife also use that during sleep. She helps regulate her sleep. Kasi si Missy, siya yung mahirap mas makatulog. Matindi ang insomnia niya. And then yun, na may M-Guard kami, I tried it. She felt well. Maganda yung tulog niya. Dire-diretso.
Okay, so you have a Kangen water machine and an M-Guard. Okay, so 2 products in one home, no? So I have this one last question, DJ, no? What was your turning point na nung na-share sa itong Kangen? What was your turning point na okay, I have to have this one sa bahay namin. I have to buy this agad. I have to invest for this product.
Yung turning point, I think, is yung nakita ko yung characteristic ng Kangen.